Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and this channel is all about homeschooling and how we work and homeschool and do all the things. So if that interests you, please hit that subscribe button below and follow along. So today's video is about preschool and pre-K activities that you can do with your little one. And these are all things that you probably have around the house, or you can substitute with things that you have around the house, or you can make a quick trip to the Dollar Tree. That is my favorite place to go, and they have all kinds of fun things that you can use. Today we're going to be looking at 6 activities that you can do with your preschooler or pre-Ker, you know, that 3 to 5 year range, for them to practice their numbers. So being able to say their numbers from 1 to 10 in order, but also to be able to see a group of items and be able to say how many items that is without having to sit there and count it. So these are activities to help them to be able to look at a group of numbers and be able to say, oh, that's 3. They can quickly recognize it. So these activities are hands-on, it's fun, get them out of the workbook or worksheets, whatever, and let them have some fun. So let's jump into it. For this activity, all you need is an ice cube tray, dice, a bowl of palms, or really anything that will fit into the ice cube tray, and tongs are optional. Okay, Finn, now we're going to be using this ice cube tray like a 10 frame. We're just kind of gearing up for 10 frame work in the future. Now what Finn is gonna do is roll the dice.
Woo!
Good job, what'd you get?
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. So they count the dice first, and then they're gonna add the palms to their ice cube tray. You're gonna take your tongs and you're gonna grab a palm and put it into the ice cube tray. Go ahead. Good job. 1, can you count?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got it, good job. For this activity, all you need are 10 Legos, and then just write the numbers 1 through 10 on them. So now what you're gonna do, Finn, is you're gonna take these Legos and you're gonna stack them from 1 all the way up to 10. You're gonna build a huge tower that's 10 blocks tall. Can you do it, Finn?
Yes, I can.
All right, that's what I wanna hear.
Let's go her.
Oh, very good, okay. So you've got that started. So he's got 1, 2, all right, keep adding.
And 3 go. And 3 go her. See?
Stack it right on top.
I did 10.
You did.
It's not on the way to
Good
top.
job, buddy. For this activity, you need muffin cups, and then write the numbers 1 through 6 on them, a muffin tin, and then put the numbered cups into the muffin tin. Just picked some cereal for him to put into the muffin cups. So go ahead and put 1 piece of cereal into the 1 cup. All right, now can you do number 2?
2.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job, buddy. For this activity, all you need are number cards and Legos for any other type of block that they could stack. Okay, so for this game, we're gonna use Uno cards, or you could just write the numbers on little pieces of paper if you want. So you're gonna take these Legos and you're gonna stack them up in front of each card. So in front of the 4, you're gonna stack up 4 Lego blocks. Okay, and you can do that for each number. Ready? For this activity, all you need are beads, a pipe cleaner, and number cards. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep using our Uno cards, but you can just write a number on a piece of paper if you'd rather. And whatever number the card is how many beads he has to put onto this pipe cleaner. Show us how you do it.
Washer, not dirt.
That's right.
That's the whole word you make a necklace.
Where you make a necklace?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really good, buddy.
Read my, wait. Every time I do read, and then I do pink.
Mm-hmm. Are you making a pattern?
And then I do green again.
Say green.
Green.
Good. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job! Excellent! For this activity, just cut construction paper into triangles and write numbers 1 through 10 on them, and a bowl of palms as ice cream scoops. So now what he's gonna do is, these are our ice cream cones, right, Finn?
Yeah.
Now he's gonna take these pom-poms, and just for a little added fun and skill, he's gonna use these little tongs to put the the ice cream scoops onto his ice cream cones. Okay, go ahead, buddy.
Okay.
Okay, he's opted to not use the tongs for this because our palms are sparkly. They have these little threads all around them, so it's a little hard to grab and let go of them. Okay, good job. Look at those pretty ice cream cones. How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did it!
Good job. Good job. Look how pretty your ice cream cones are. So I hope you enjoyed those activities. Hopefully you can start working them into your preschool or pre-K school routine with your little one, and hopefully they will love it. Like I said, you can probably substitute a lot of those items if you don't already have them on hand, or you can make a trip to the Dollar Tree and get some of those fun little hands-on things. If you end up trying some of these activities, I'd love to know which one your child loves the most, so leave a comment below after you try some of these out. That would be awesome. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your other preschool friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss another video. Thanks for joining me today. Happy schooling.